Hi everyone, today we're going to look into another tutorial that is about the control block. Okay, let's click on this orange color circle, the name control, and within that there is a lot of control block that you can use along when you are writing your programmings. And today I'm going to look into this forever loop. Yeah, this is a forever looping that happen to be in every programming. When you are looking to write a program, more or less they will have forever loop in it. Okay, and now let's start with some of the example what this block is all about. Let's give him a timing when green flag clicks. Okay, this programming now with these structures, they are talking about when the green flag, this button is clicked, then they will start the looping for the forever. Okay, now let's see what is forever loop. Forever loop is a looping that it will be starting on the first line, and then when they running the actions in between, after they finish all the actions, right, they will repeat back to the beginning again. Okay, now let me show you some of the example. Let me see this. Okay, we are going to use the change x by 10, and then since we have two costumes in this head spread, we are going to try to use it as well. Okay, so let me make it a little bit. Next costume. Wait for 1 second block. Okay, let's see. Yeah, before we start with the forever loop, I just want to explain just a little bit on these three blocks. Okay, you see the first block is talking about change x by 10 step. So when I click on this change x by 10 step, you see the character will be moving forwards. Let's put here, and you see the character will move forward whenever I click on these blocks, change x by 10. And then after that we have this next costume. So when I click on the next costume, do you see my character is changing costume? The design is changed between the first costume and second costume. Okay, next we will need to have it wait for 1 second for the every process. So if let's say when we start the activity for this block, that means the block will be moving forward to the 10 step, and then he will change the costume in either one of it following the sequence on the costume, and then they will wait for 1 second. After that, they will repeat back to the first line. If let's say this block is inside the forever loop, so I just want to share with you the first example that when I click on this three block all together, they will change the costume, and then they will move forward to 10 steps, and then they will wait for 1 second. So let's see and focus and have our eye on this character. I will click the first time, 1, 2, 3. Okay, easy. The character changed costume and he moved forward for 10 steps. The second time, they will be moving forward and change the costume. If let's say imagine I'm clicking it forever, the character will be like this. Yeah, so this is just a manually forever loop. So if let's say you found the manual is too messy and very difficult, very easy, you just plug the whole command into the forever loop, and then this forever loop will perform the operation in such a way that from the first line, he will change x by 10, and then he will change the costume, and then he will wait for 1 second. After that, he repeat again from the first line again to the third line, and then he repeat from first line to third line, and then he repeat from first line to third line, and the loop is forever. Okay, now let's play the green flag and see what happens with the characters. Ta-da! Yeah, you see? Every second he will wait for 1 time, and then he move forward, change the costume, and wait again 1 second, and move forward, change costume, and wait for 1 second. If let's say we give it a little bit faster, 0.1 second, we are not going to wait for so long for changing a costume, so we make it a little bit faster. So you will see the character is like running forwards. The character will be moving forward without stopped. Okay, that's all for today. Today's lesson is about forever loop, and we hope that you can understand. And I will see you again in next chapter, next tutorial. Thank you very much. See you again. Bye bye.